Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer PI coin on the Delta exchange. First, complete KYC in the PI Network app to unlock the transfer feature. Then, ensure your PI coins have migrated to the mainnet wallet. Now, open the PI browser and access your PI wallet using your passphrase. Navigate to the Delta exchange, create an account and complete KYC verification. In Delta Exchange, go to the Deposit section and select PI Coin to obtain your deposit address. Then, copy the PI Coin deposit address from the Delta Exchange. Next, return to your PI wallet, initiate a transfer and paste the copied Delta Exchange address. Now, enter the amount of PI you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. Then, wait for the transaction to be processed. PI Coin will appear in your Delta Exchange account. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.